During this tutorial, you learn to pay taxes and liabilities. When you pay employees, QuickBooks records deductions, calculates taxes, and tracks what you owe for payroll liabilities. Before you pay these liabilities, you must first tell QuickBooks how often you pay each liability. You do this during the payroll setup interview. QuickBooks makes it easy to set up taxes and schedule your payments. And if you're not sure, we even guide you with examples and links to the appropriate tax agency. When it's time to pay taxes and other liabilities, your options are based on your payroll subscription. With a basic or standard payroll subscription, you can generate and print your liability checks. If you are an enhanced payroll subscriber, you have the additional option to electronically pay some payroll taxes. And with an assisted payroll subscription, you can generate and print other liability checks while we pay your state and federal payroll taxes for you. Let's pay two payroll liabilities, one with an electronic payment and another with a regular check. On the home page, click Pay Liabilities. Use this section of the Payroll Center to pay scheduled liabilities. The Send By column shows the due date for your payments. The Status column shows whether your payment is overdue, due, or upcoming. To get more information about a specific payment, click once on the amount. Let's pay the health insurance payment and the federal 941 payment. Click in the left column next to health insurance. Now click in the column next to Federal 941. Click View or Pay. QuickBooks displays the first payment, the payment for health insurance. This is a regular check. Notice that QuickBooks marks the check to be printed. Click Save and Next. This is the payment for the Federal 941. QuickBooks shows the date the money will be withdrawn from your checking account. Please note, Intuit does not hold the money. The agency withdraws the money directly from your bank account. Click ePay. QuickBooks opens the ePay login screen. This screen looks slightly different for each agency. Some agencies require you to enroll for ePayment. The Payroll Setup Wizard will guide you through the steps to enroll with each agency. You must complete this process before paying liabilities. Enter your PIN number and confirm it. Then enter and confirm your internet password. Please note, these numbers are not known or stored by QuickBooks. If you forget your PIN, you must contact the appropriate agency for help. QuickBooks automatically enters your phone number and email address. You can enter or change this information if necessary. When you are ready to send the payment, click Submit. QuickBooks displays an ePay confirmation window. Please note, this window confirms that the transaction information was received by Intuit, not by the agency that you are paying. The time it takes to process your payment varies from agency to agency. Some agencies process payments immediately, while others take 48 hours or longer. You learn how to check the status of your payment later in this tutorial. Click Close. QuickBooks displays a stamp on the ePayment to show that the ePayment was successfully submitted. Click Close. The payment summary lists the payments you just made. Print a summary of the payments for your records. Click Print Checks to print payments you made with a regular check. Click Close. Wait 1 to 48 hours before confirming that your electronic payment was accepted by the tax agency. Remember, the response time varies by agency. When the time has passed, open the Payroll Center and click Related Payment Activities. Click View ePayment History. The status of the payment you just made is Submitted to Intuit. This means the payment has not been made to the agency. The status will change to Submitted to Agency when Intuit sends the payment. and it will be updated to Agency Accepted when the agency accepts your payment. Click Close. Occasionally, an agency may change your payment frequency, or you may decide to e-file certain payments. To change the method or frequency of a payment, click Related Payment Activities and select Edit Payment Due Dates or Methods. Use this window to schedule payments, to set up e-pay accounts, to enroll with tax agencies for e-payments, and to set up payments for benefits and other non-tax payments. To change the payment method or frequency for a tax payment, select the payment and select Edit. You can change your deposit method and payment deposit frequency. Please note, if you set up payroll items with the same vendor name and account number, QuickBooks automatically combines the payments on one check. However, if you need to create separate checks, select one payment and click View or Pay. Then, when you return to this window, select the next payment and click View or Pay again. That's it. You learned to pay taxes and liabilities. To learn more about QuickBooks Payroll, select another tutorial from the Learning Center.